This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Christina Grossu. Large renovated 2-bedroom/1.5 bath top floor condo with vaulted ceilings and great natural light. Great price to live in this amazing community. Open floor plan with attached large covered balcony and fireplace make this home perfect for entertaining. Kitchen boasts new granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of storage. Condo has neutral paint and tile floors in both bathrooms and kitchen. Master has 2 large walk-in closets and high ceilings. Plenty of guest parking and 1 dedicated spot. Beautiful view from balcony that overlooks gorgeous community. Fantastic Myers Park location, walk to restaurants, entertainment, shopping, greenway, trolley, and more. Close to Uptown, Dilworth, Southpark, Presbyterian, CMC. For more information